Yep. I'm gonna just wrap this video up right quick. Hey, my love. We're going to get into a unit from UNice Hair. So I'm so excited that UNice Hair chose to graciously send us a unit. And I want to get into this colored light ash brown straight human hair unit, okay? She's the color number 8. She has a fake scalp and she is absolutely stunning. And I mean stunning. The color is actually beautiful. Very cognac, okay? Very Hennessy. So this unit has 2 combs in the front, that 3-layer closure and pre-plucked hairline, 1 comb in the back. Okay, how about those adjustable straps? Hello, Wakanda forever. There I go. So yeah, we're just going to get on into this unit. Now, I have this unit in 20 inches and she's currently going for just under, okay, wait for it, $155. This is human hair, guys. At 20 inches, it doesn't get any more affordable than that, okay? This unit is fire. That pre-plucked hairline and that 3-layer closure provides you with a nice, natural, easy, okay, install. So we're just going to go in with our Bold Hold Liquid Gold and lay mother on down to sleep. right, guys, so we're just going to go on through with our Babyless wine curlers and just wine curl mother all the way up, okay? And I'm curling her up because I felt like for a straight unit at 150% density, she was a little bit thin for me, just a little bit. And I didn't want her to look stringy or anything like that. So I figured I would go through and add just some curls for depth in thickness, and she really did give me what I wanted, because now she has a more bouncier look to her, and thicker look and textured look. So I really do enjoy this unit. She didn't shed a lot for me, and she didn't tangle almost at all, and I attribute that also to the lighter density. But I do really, really love this color, okay? Because she is giving Hennessy on ice, and I cannot stand Hennessy. But I love the color. Very honey jack. Now, that's my drink, okay? But I really do love this unit. Overall, I do love this unit, and I love the color. So UNice came through with another banger, and we appreciate them for that. Yep, I'm gonna just wrap this video up right quick. Turn around for you guys. I'll do it one more time. Turn around, give you another look. All right, guys, I am obsessed. It's not even funny. UNice Hair came through with this bomb unit. Now, again, this is color number 8, okay? She's color number 8, and she is stunning. Bust up on her now. Bust up on her. Okay, get into it. I really do love this. I love the fake scalp. You guys know how I feel about the closures as opposed to the ear-to-ear frontals. It's my favorite thing. So what I did was I just went through with my Babyliss wand curlers and just, you know, wound her all the way up. She is super lightweight, okay? So the density to me is a little thin, which is why I chose to give her some volume with the curls, because I felt like if I left her bone straight, she kind of would have looked, she probably would look a little stringy. That's one of the only downfall that I actually have with this unit. Otherwise, it took me all in all, I'm looking at the time, 25 minutes to get this together. That was including curling my hair, okay? And still beating my face and everything like that. So it really didn't take very long to get mother together. She is one of those units you can throw on and go for sure. I really do love this, guys. I love the color. You guys need to check out UNice Hair. They are always coming through with us and giving us something sexy and fun to play with, right? Now, I'm kind of rushing because I got stuff to do. My man is sitting on the couch. He's waiting for me, y'all. I can't be chit-chatting with y'all all night. So if you have not already, buzz down, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.